This video demonstrates how to change the background and add the banner image to your Google site. Now, so first let's go to the settings, click on the option icon and then choose Manage Site. Scroll down on the left menu, choose Themes, Color, and Fonts. And first you can decide the entire page. First, you can decide for the background color for the entire page. So click on the paint bucket and choose a color, and you can see the background change right away. And I'm going to use maroon for this background. Next, let's go to site header, which is this part. This is the actual banner image, which is about 100 pixels in height and 800 pixels in width. Okay, now let's switch back to our Google site. So I click on the image icon to select that banner image, and that's what happened here. Now let's change the title font because the default was set to black. It doesn't stand out. So I'm going to choose a font for this portfolio, and color, I'm going to change it to match with the background, maroon. So I'm going to change to maroon. And you may want to make the font bigger. So you can decide how big the font should be. Okay, so that's for the header. And if you don't see the headers, there's one way to enable it. So I'm going to save just in case you want to know how to enable the header. So again, back to Google site. You want to go to the option menu and choose Edit Site Layout. So from here, you see my header is enabled. If I click once, it's gone. If I click again, it appears. So it toggles between showing the header and not showing the header. And again, so these are different ways to disable or enable different layouts function. So I'm going to close this page and go back to Manage Site. Next, I'm going to go back to Themes, Colors, and Fonts. So next, I'm going to go to Content area, maybe add a background color for the text. And so again, background, I'm going to choose a color which is light yellow. Well, let me to show you the difference. Let me choose a different color. You can see the main page, the content area, the color has changed. And page title, that's where the title, the font for the title, I like to use the default. And the other things you can change on the content area gadgets, or sidebar gadget. Sidebar refer to this area. You can have background color for this too. But I think less is more. Okay, so you click on Save to save this, and then you can click on your portfolio name to go back to your portfolio. And that's how you can spice up your site design to make it look less boring and more interesting.